So earlier I played with the Farmasi Pigments, the violet, and I forgot a trick to get it wet with a rose water, and to play with it like that. So I wanted to do that real quick. Just got the eye brush, and I'm just going to spray some rose water on my brush and show you the look using, okay, I put some pigment in my lid like I have showed you before. Just show you how much richer it can look when you get it wet. Yeah, and if your black is too dark, you can go over that, tone that down. And one of these sides had primer on it, and one didn't. I don't know, does that come through very well? I have a little glass bowl that I like to put the rose water in and then just mix the pigment, but it walked away. You know, my mom used to say, things just don't grow legs and walk away. But actually, when you have little ones in your house, they kind of do. And then they show up in the craziest places. You're like, how on earth, or why on earth would they even think to put it there? Anyway, when you mix it in a bowl, you can almost make like a paint with it. And I don't like to do that in the lid, although I did today, because I don't want all the pigments to come in that. But you know, when you use rose water, it dries pretty quick. But can you see the difference between putting it on dry and adding some water to it, rose water? It just gives it an extra. And this is the side that had pigment, and this didn't. So I can definitely tell a difference also in the color there. Anyway, so that is all that I wanted to show you today. There's so many things that you can do with this pigment. Yeah, I still have my fingernail done. I did that with the pigment too. It's a lot of fun. And it's just so versatile. Anyway, that's all I wanted to share with you. And I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for joining me. Bye.